Welcome to video 1 of your 2.3 Algebra 2 lesson. Today we're going to graph equations of lines. So our goal is to graph those equations of lines in both slope-intercept and standard form. Okay, so whenever we talk about groups of functions, we talk about the parent function, and that's the most basic function in that group. The parent function for the family of all linear functions is y equals x. So whatever the x variable, whatever the value for x is, that's also the value for y. So if you look, here's a picture of the graph of y equals x. The y-intercept of the line is 0, 0, and the slope of the line y equals x is 1 because the coefficient of x is an understood 1 there. Recall that the y-intercept of a line is the point at which the line crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept of a line is the point at which the line crosses the x-axis. In this special case of y equals x, both the y-intercept and the x-intercept is 0, 0, because 0, 0 is the one and only point that is on both the y-axis and the x-axis. The first thing we're going to do is talk about using slope-intercept form to graph an equation. So you don't have to make one of those XY charts. You can use this process instead. The first step is write the equation in the correct form by solving for y. Step 2 is identify the y-intercept, the point 0b, where the line crosses the y-axis. So once it's in y equals mx plus b form, you know it's just you use that b value for the y-coordinate of your y-intercept. Identify the slope m and use it to plot a second point on the line. And then you get to play connect the dots. Draw a line through the 2 points. So for example 1, we're going to graph an equation in slope-intercept form. We are going to graph y equals negative 3/2 x plus 1. The equation is already in slope-intercept form, so we don't have to move anything. We don't have to transform the equation. The y-intercept is 0, 1, so plot the point 0, 1 where the line crosses the y-axis. The slope is negative 3/2, so plot a second point on the line by starting at 0, 1 and then moving down 3 units and right 2 units. The second point is 2, negative 2. Then play connect the dots. Okay. Just graph them. I didn't write step 4 on there, but you can see that I did it. Play connect the dots with the 2 points. Okay, this is going to be a quick lesson. This is the end of video 1, and then we will move on to video 2.